Kat ba ka jing Dawa jong ka Voice of the People's Party na kabentaban pynthymmai ka reservation policy hapo ka jela kadang yan u MLA ka Rajabala constituency u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi ulabu ka jing kerpat hau menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya u Konrad Kir Sangma na kabentaban Phaidien hak ba yade bot ka reservation policy jong ka Meghalaya hak ba % la mang kerpang na kabenta ki schedule caste but schedule tribe but ya kiwei de ka ba long persya ya ka reservation policy jong ka Supreme Court jong ka India. Katkum ka jingkran u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi ulaong bakarai jong Supreme Court haka pratari ubnai leber jong snam arja arpuai haka baya David ka kes jong Jai Sri Lakshman Rao Patil persya ya ka Sarkar Maharashtra bat ka kes jong Indra Sawni persya ya ka Union of India House nam kat kandai spa kandai puar nakaliang Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi ulaong manakaliang jong Supreme Court kalabu daw put bat kamsya ya ka jingmang kerpang na kapenta kinu ki judgment riu lanig schedule tribe schedule caste ban palat ya ka 100% day halor kani ka nongrim bakalong persya ya ka rai jong Supreme Court ula Dawa jor ban Phaidien bat ban mang kerpang 100% na kapenta ki bamsem lamang ni ki unreserved katkum ki guidelines balabu da ka Supreme Court.
In view of the demands made by several organizations on the reservation policy, I as the MLA of Rajabala constituency would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Meghalaya to review the prevailing reservation policy of Meghalaya, wherein 85% is being reserved for SC, ST and others, which is against the reservation policy set up by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. As per the Honorable Court verdict, on 8/3/2021, in the case of Jai Sri Lakshman Rao Patil versus Court of Maharashtra and Indra Sawni versus Union of India in 1992, Honorable Supreme Court has set the limit and does not allow for any reservation for any tribe or caste more than the 50% limit. Hence, it is totally against the SC verdict. Therefore, I strongly demand for the review and allocation of 50% for the unreserved category as per the guidelines laid down by the Honorable Court.